What's up guys, Project Garage here, and today we're going to be doing a simple, real quick install. We're going to be installing this short, flexible rubber antenna instead of this stock steel long one that can get caught on trees and branches and stuff. We're working on a Jeep Wrangler 2016 Sport Unlimited. We're going to use some pliers. This is all you need, is some pliers. You can use a 10mm wrench. You're just going to loosen this bolt off right here and put your wrench on there, and we're going to twist it off. Alright, this video is so short we don't even need to play the intro. So you're just going to put your wrench on there. In this case I'm using some pliers and give that a twist. Shouldn't be too tight on there. I'm using some pliers because of course, you know, the 10mm is always missing. Jeep owners, you know what I mean. So we're just going to get that twisted off here. Give that a couple of rotations. Alright, so we got the antenna all off there. It's just a metal connection. I'm going to take some brush wire actually, and I'm going to take a steel brush and brush the inside of that connection out so it's nice and good connection. You don't have to, it's not needed, but I'm going to do it anyways. Alright, so we got the new antenna here, nice rubber flexible antenna. This piece is separate. It did come in the box, but that screw down there, that's just an attachment for whatever vehicle you need. So that just put that right in there, just like that. We cleaned that out with a wire brush already, so we're just gonna give that a twist. And I know this is a real simple video. You wanna twist that on there good, make sure it's on there real good. I know this is a real simple video, but just wanted to show you because, you know, in case you didn't know, it's real simple and easy. Hardly need any tools, just some pliers or a 10mm wrench, and that's it. Gives the Jeep kind of a new look. We're gonna test the quality out, so I'll do a quick review of it as well, make sure you get the same quality. But yeah, it's a lot better than the stock antenna. That one can get caught on trees and it whips around and stuff, so it does look a lot better. Excuse the dirt. If the Jeep wasn't dirty, it wouldn't be a Jeep. But hope you guys found this helpful, and stay tuned for more. I'm gonna put the pliers on it and give it just a little bit of a twist, make sure it's tight on there. But hope you guys like this video. If you found this useful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos. We're gonna do some more work on the Jeep and the Raptor ATV, but stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. All right, we're in the Jeep here. I got it on 88.7. This is a station that used to come in fuzzy. It sounds pretty good. I like the profile a lot better. You can hardly tell it's there. It'll be much nicer going through the woods, you know, with sticks hitting it and branches and stuff. And I worry about the other one, the stock one, hitting the windshield and stuff and cracking it, but it looks a lot better. It sounds great. I'll post a link to this antenna specifically from Amazon in the description down below if you guys want to get this one. There's a ton out there, real easy to switch out. I definitely recommend, as one of the first mods to your Jeep, switch out that antenna.